Okay, good morning and welcome to the start of week 14. It's Sunday morning, it's project week, it's group project week. We had a good wee planning session on Friday. I came in earlier the day on Sunday, drove through from Dundee this morning, waiting to get a coffee and waiting for the guys to turn up, and we're going to start getting everything in place, putting the database in place, making sure that we could do our API call and just start getting the ball rolling on this project. So check in with you again later today.
That's my plan. That's my baby. That's my plan. And you don't understand. And you don't understand.
Okay, so today's been a great day. We managed to get a lot done. Obviously, thanks to Eric here. He was a great help. So obviously, both myself, Eric, Mark, and Ross. We managed to get all our code synchronized, we managed to make our initial commits, we managed to get our Webpack and our NodeMon running, and we managed to make our first simple API call. We got the information that we wanted back from the server for 5 results for a flight of our choice. So yeah, it's been a great day. We're going to carry on with that tomorrow. We're going to work in teams per programmer, me and Eric, Mark and Ross. Just keep cracking on with the rest of the week, and I'll keep updating you with wee clips through the rest of the week. Cheers. Okay, welcome back and welcome to Tuesday morning. On my way to CodeClan now. So on Sunday we got a lot of planning done, and yesterday we split up into pairs, pair programming, split our teams into server side and client side, and just carried on with that the whole day. So going to continue with that today, continue with pair programming, and we'll just see how we get on. Just wait to head into CodeClan now, give you an update later today.
You stop.
Okay, so it's Wednesday evening, but a really productive, busy day today. It feels like every day that passes, maybe less and less things get done, but it's obviously only getting to the finer details, the finer things, and maybe just small refactoring other things. So even I'll just give you a wee rundown of the file structure. So we've got everything set up, split into server side, so everything from here down. So in server we've got API, controllers, models, requests, and then we've got the client side. So client's got the build, source, requests, views, and then the all important app.js. So today we're working on the views, making sure that we're able to display the information that we want in the right places and getting that information. So it was nothing special, nothing fancy just now. This is where we website, where we app that we've got. It's kind of similar what it's going to look like. So over the next couple of days we're just going to keep working at that and making sure that come next Monday when we're doing our presentation, we've got it all bonny, everything, wee bells and whistles on it, displaying all the information we need, and even doing a few wee extensions for maybe filtering the results. So yeah, going to keep cracking on with that, and we'll give you another wee update maybe tomorrow or Friday. Cheers. Okay, so it's Wednesday afternoon. I think yesterday I was thinking it was Wednesday yesterday for some reason, maybe because it came through on Sunday. So good news. So I don't want to keep giving you wee updates every time I do one little thing, but there's quite a momentous moment. Like, so right now we're able to use our wee app to be able to populate the search. So if I refresh this now, we'll go London. It uses the airport codes, so auto completes. We'll select London. We could maybe type in boss, select for Boston, give it a date, maybe the 5th of April, coming back maybe 12th April. We've already got 1 adult set as a default and 0 children as default. We'll click go. It does its thing, it goes to the server, gets the information from the APIs that we need, and lo and behold, there we go. We've got, I think it's the same flight, so we'll get the cheapest flight first, and that's obviously the same flight there 3 times, and it's paired up with 3 different hotel deals. So yeah, obviously not displaying the way we want it just now, but obviously making great progress. The guys are obviously working on the other side of the back end just now, so we could have a toggle button that allows me to be able to see all hotels by map view. So yeah, good that we're getting that done. But yeah, cracking on with that the rest of this afternoon. We get lunch now. It's been a long morning, so I'll give you another wee update when I can. Okay, welcome back. So it's Thursday afternoon. We worked super hard yesterday. We got a lot done yesterday, and today we started off the day with a wee bit of mob programming. Me, Mark, Ross and Eric, the 4 of us, just obviously going over any concerns, anything that we felt like we needed to all focus our attention on, the whole 4 of us. And then we branched off pair programming. So me and Mark were concentrated on the views that we're trying to put in place. So obviously we've got so many divs now. We've got spans, divs, and we're creating divs dynamically on the fly in the DOM as obviously we're getting information back. So it's getting a wee bit more confusing, and it's getting to the stage that the little pernickety things that we're doing now are the ones that are taking up the time. So we're going to be concentrating on making sure we hit the MVP by the end of the day, and then tomorrow normally we would probably be giving our presentations on the Friday, but we're not giving the presentations until Monday. So tomorrow we'll actually have our speed networking event. So at the moment I think we've got nine of the employer partners for CodeClan that are scheduled to come in tomorrow. So that'll be good. It's not as formal as interview processes, but 9 of the employer partners will be coming in. We'll get 6 minutes each with them, maybe just a chance to be able to ask them what they do and what kind of people that they're looking for at the moment. And then yeah, so loads to look forward to, loads to be cracking on with. But I'll definitely be giving you another wee update tomorrow, and I'll chuck in some wee clips of the employer partner speed networking event as well. So looking forward to that, and looking forward to having a weekend of no coding and then doing the presentations on Monday. Okie dokie, so that's the employer partner speed networking event over at CodeClan in Edinburgh today. Really insightful, great to speak to so many different employers all at the same time, all within the same building, 6 minutes apart, and just get a chance to see what they're looking for, kind of get a feel for what the interview process would be like, what kind of questions to answer, and great to speak to some of the students that have went on from CodeClan into some of these organisations. So we're going to head home to Dundee now, maybe work on the presentation for our JavaScript projects over the weekend, and then at the end of this wee clip here, I'll be speeding you up right to Monday morning when we'll be doing our presentations. So I'll put in a wee sped up version of the presentation in this video, and I'll drop a link below to the full presentation. So here we go, we're on Friday now and we're going straight to Monday. So welcome to all of that. So as our team name suggests, 3 Scots and a Frenchman.
Stop.
Okay dokie, so that's the end of week 14, even though it's Monday of week 15 here at CodeClan in Edinburgh. I think that presentation ended up cutting out the last couple of minutes of the questions, so hopefully obviously you were able to get the full thing, and obviously it was a sped up version, but I'll link the full version down below and I'll be uploading it at the same time. So I normally say what's happening next week, but it's already this week. So this week, going right on to the next video, we're starting React. We're getting a few days on React, and then it's time to start thinking about what we'll want to do for our own final projects, if we'll want to do that at all. Obviously a lot of the people are going to start looking for jobs, starting to look at obviously going for interviews, so a lot of people don't do the final project, so it's obviously just up in the air whether we'll want to do it or not. But looking forward to learning React, and obviously looking forward to seeing what things React would have done for we're there in the group JavaScript project that we didn't need to necessarily have to code ourselves. So yeah, thanks for sticking around watching my road to code, and I'll see you again next week. See ya.